Hello friends, today we will see how to design an Google form. The basic things are we need to have an internet connectivity and we need to log in through our email ID. So now I have logged in through my email ID. You can see here. Once you log in through your email ID, you can see a small logo here which shows that you are logged in through your mail ID. After this, we can see here 9 dots. Click on the 9 dots. Once you click here, you can find Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive. This is our Google Drive, which we can see. It will take some time. Once our Google Drive is open, now I need to design a form. So first of all, I need to open a new page. So click on new. After that, come down. You can see here option more. In this more option, if you scroll this way, you can see a Google Forms. Click on this. Friends, this is our first page of Google Form. Now here, which options are useful for us or which options we are going to use? First thing is I need to name the form. So I'll click here and I'll give the name. Now I'll give here EVS test. EVS UT 1. See, I have only given the name here. Once I click on this, the same name will come down. In description, we can write unit test 1, marks as per your subjects. I'll set here 20. Here we forgot to write class, so again I can come here. I can write the class 5 EVS. The changes you make, the same will reflect at downside. Unit test 1. Marks allotted are 20 will take or 10 I'll take for the small explanation. After this, what we require from the student. Now we will see this one button which shows you add question and next is add section. Only these two buttons are useful for us now. In add question, I am expecting student name. Once I click on the name, here there is a drop down list. Through this list I will take short answer and then I'll mark it as a required. Second thing I expect from the student is division. Here, suppose if I'm planning for fifth, there are two divisions. One is Raman and is Kalam. Here I want only one out of these two, so I will take here multiple choice questions. If it doesn't come, again click on the drop down list and select the option we require. Yeah, every time we need to click on this required button. Again plus sign, Next line, roll number. Here, when I click on roll number, we will take it as short answer. Add question is like coming to the next line. Now when you write a roll number, response validation has been added, so remove this. Okay, see once again what we have done. We have named our tests. After that, we have asked the student of his name, division, and roll number. All the three things are compulsory. Required shows they are mandatory. This is our first page. Now we'll go to second page. When we go to second page, we will click on the section button, add section. Here you can see the second section is open, untitled. Here you can give the heading like MCQ, multiple choice questions. After that, click on the add question. I'll start the test here. First question. Digestion begin in. This is a question. Now I need to give the options for this. So as it is multiple choice questions, I'll click on multiple choice. Option 1, A, stomach. How to go to second? Add option. Enter. It comes to next. B, mouth. This is our first question design. Now I need to go to second question. What I will do again, I'll go for add button. In this way we can add the questions. Okay, sections are added. Now if you come on top of the page, here you can see some customized themes are there, preview button is there, and settings button is there. We will see settings button. In this settings, when you open, there are three tabs. One is general tab, next is presentation tab, and third is quiz tab. So I'll come to quiz tab and I'll on this radio button. Once I on that radio button, now my quiz is ready. Here, what to do? Now release the grade. There are two options. One is either immediate after the test or later after manual. We are going to click it on later after manual. Come down. Here we can see respondent can see. He cannot see missed question. He cannot see correct answer. He cannot see point values. So in short, here in the quiz tab, we need to remove all the tick marks and tick on this later after manual review and click on the radio button on. We'll come to presentation. Here we have to off this and show only progress bar, and in general remove this collect email ID and click only on limit one response. After this, click on save button. So here we have seen how to make our paper as a quiz. After that, we will have to design the